If your workers' compensation case is approved, then why are you still getting medical bills? It's frustrating, but you're not alone. Let's break down the top reasons why this happens and what you can do to stop it. Sometimes the medical provider doesn't realize that it's a workers' comp case, and so they end up billing your health insurance or even worse, you. Call the provider and let them know that it's a workers' comp case. Provide them with the adjuster's contact information, give them the claim number, and ask them to rebill workers' comp. Even if your claim is approved, the insurance company may still drag their feet before making payment. And if the provider doesn't get paid in a timely manner, they may end up billing you directly. Now, the good news is in North and South Carolina, it's unlawful for a medical provider to bill you for an accepted workers' compensation claim. So, if this happens to you, contact the adjuster and demand that they issue payment quickly. Workers' comp has different billing rules than regular health insurance. So, if the provider bills incorrectly, it could end up getting rejected and then being sent to you for payment. If this happens to you, contact the provider and request a copy of the bill to verify that they're billing the correct party. Also, ensure that they're using workers' compensation codes when they resubmit the bill for payment. If a bill sits unpaid too long, it can end up going to collections, even though it's not your responsibility to pay it. If this happens to you, contact the collection agency, let them know it should be pulled out of collections and billed to workers' comp. You can also send a cease and desist letter, and if it hits your credit, dispute the charge. Even if your case is accepted, the workers' comp carrier may dispute or deny certain treatment, claiming that it's not medically necessary or that it's unrelated to the injury or body part that they accepted. Unfortunately, if this happens, it's going to require a motion to be filed or a hearing requested. Now, this is a great time to speak with an attorney to see if she or he can help you with this type of issue, because it can get a little complicated if you don't do this for a living. The bottom line is, if your case is accepted or approved, you shouldn't be paying the bills. Unfortunately, mistakes happen, sometimes intentionally, sometimes unintentionally, but you have legal rights. Call the workers' compensation carrier, call the medical provider. Point out everything that I've discussed here today. But also, if things get too complicated, call an attorney. An experienced workers' compensation attorney can help assist with these types of issues and make sure that you don't have bills hanging over your head.